magkakapatid, especially our parents po, si Mama, si Papa, and si Ate Ivy, ganyan. Pero to our dreamers, parang, lagi ko po ito sinasabi na parang saying thank you is never enough sa kanilang unending love and support po sa aming magkakapatid. And kahit nasa ibang bansa po sila or parang hiwa-hiwalay po yung mga fans po kasi namin. And nakikita lang po namin yung through pag nag-live show po kami ganyan. And yun, we're very blessed to have you and sana po ay hindi kayo magsawang mahalin at supportahan ng Fourth Impact because we promise you that we will never give up and we will always use our talents as an instrument of inspiration and happiness sa lahat po ng mga tao all around the world. So, we love you. We hope to see you soon on our world tour. Manifest.
Yes, I just want to thank Sir Ben B, our producer of our first ever mini album, for his big trust, and also to our patrons, our dreamers all over the world. Because of you guys, we're still here, we're still doing what we love, and we're just singing and dancing because of your support. So I hope you guys will show big love and support on this mini album. Sana samahan nyo kami na lumaban for the last try na ba to? Sana huwag din kayo give up katulad namin. Nandiyan pa rin kayo sa likuran namin na sumuporta hanggang sa maging senior na kami. Hanggang maging senior.
Hindi gusto ko lang sagutin yung sinasabi mo na last na ba to, sabi mo, di ba? Actually, we're just starting because this is our first ever mini album. And
so, gusto na talaga tayo mag-aasawa. Beginning pa lang pala.
Ano natin si Mama?
Another 3 years pala ito, Ma.
Si Mama, wait.
I joke lang. So, I love you, dreamers. Thank you for...
I mean, this is just the beginning for the original music.
Joke lang. So, yes, love you, dreamers.
To all our dreamers, thank you so much for all your support. They're just hundreds lang. But, you know, they are mighty dreamers. They said we changed their lives, but I think for us, they have changed our lives by supporting us, especially during pandemic. So, I couldn't think of any word to thank you enough for all your support for us and for all your love. Sila po talaga yung mga taong nagbigay sa amin ng push to never give up. So, I love you, dreamers. See you soon!
Thank you guys, and congrats po.